In this video, I'll show you how to create engaging AI videos with Kling AI that are designed for short-form content and higher viewer attention. First, choose a simple idea with a strong visual hook. Instead of starting with a complicated story, think about something viewers can understand immediately from the first few seconds. Next, open Kling AI and create a new video project. Write a prompt that clearly describes your main subject: action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. For example, you could create a surprising transformation, an unusual character, an impressive cinematic scene, or a visually interesting product demonstration. When writing your prompt, focus on the action. Give Kling AI a clear idea of what should happen in the scene instead of adding unnecessary details. Camera movement can also make the video more engaging. You can use a quick reveal, smooth tracking shot, dramatic push-in, or other movement that supports the main action. For short-form content, create short and focused scenes. If your idea requires multiple events, generate separate clips and combine them later during editing. After generating your first clip, preview it carefully. Look at the opening moment, subject movement, camera motion, background, and overall visual quality. If the result doesn't look right, improve the prompt and generate another version. Try different camera angles, actions, environments, and visual styles to see which version works best. You can also use image to video when you already have a strong visual concept. Start with a clear image and add interesting but controlled movement. Once your clips are ready,